Hello guys, welcome back again to another video of your class 12 mathematics. In today's video we shall be studying about your chapter 5, that's your continuity and differentiability. So before we begin the exercise, I want you to go ahead with the formula, okay? Just prepare with the formula. So before we go through the exercise, let us first begin with the topic parametric form of a function. So what do you mean by parametric form of function? It's given that let y be a function of x if your x is equal to f of t and your y is equal to g of t are function of a variable t. Remember, the variable is nothing more than t. Then the function x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t are said to represent the function y is equal to your y of x in the parametric form. The variable t is called a parameter of the function y of x. For example, the function x is equal to t. Function x is equal to your t plus 3 and y is equal to t minus 1. Represent y as a function of x in the parametric form. Or another example, if I happen to give you, I can give you that your x is equal to t square plus t minus 3 and your y is equal to your t minus 1. I can give this one also, okay? This also represent nothing more than your y as a function of x in the parametric form. I hope you're clear with the parametric form of function. Just go through the definition, you'll be clear. Okay, you can pause the video and then check nicely. The next topic is nothing more than your derivative of a parametric function. So as we know that x and y are given as function are given as function of a variable t. So I can say that your t is called nothing more than your parameter. So let your x is equal to your f of t and y is equal to your g of t. Okay, then from here dx by dt is nothing more than your f dash t, that's the first order differentiation, and similarly your dy by dt will be your g dash t, that's your first order differentiation of gt. So therefore I can say that your dy by dx would be equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. We can see if I cut dt and dt, I'll get the same thing, yes or no? So which will be nothing more than g dash of t divided by f dash of t. Remember, your f dash of t cannot be equal to 0. Remember this one, okay? So this is nothing more than your derivative of your parametric function. This whole thing is nothing more than your derivative of your parametric function. Okay, let us do the exercise then. So your exercise 5.6 is given to be if x and y are connected parametrically by the equation given in exercise 1 to 10 without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx. So your question number one happens to be nothing more than x is equal to 2a t to the square and y is equal to a t to the power 4. So what is the parameter over here? Your parameter over here is t. So I can say that let me just give this one to be equation 1 and this one to be equation number 2. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to t, we get, so if I differentiate equation number 1 with respect to t, I'll get here dx by dt is equal to d by dt of your 2a t square. Now your 2a is constant, so 2 will be out, so it will be d by dt of your t square. So that will be nothing more than 2a into 2t, so that will be 4at. Again, in a similar way, again differentiating equation 2 with respect to t. If I differentiate, I'll get here dy by dt will be equal to d by dt of a t to the power 4. So that will be nothing more than 4 a t cube. So hence the question says find dy by dx. So I'll find dy by dx. So hence your dy by dx is nothing more than dy by dt divided by your dx by dt. So your dy by dt you got it to be 4at cubed divided by 4at. So I can cancel 4 a and t with square. So answer is your t square. Pause the video and then check nicely once again. I hope you're clear with this one. Okay, let me do the next question. Let me do your question number 2. Your question number 2 is given to be x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to your b cos theta. Now, if you can see in question number 1, your parameter over there was t. This was your parameter, yes or no? This and then this. Similarly, in question number 2, tell me what will be the parameter. The parameter over here would be nothing more than your theta. That's the cos theta. And over here also I got here cos theta. I hope you're clear. So give this one to be equation number 1 and give this one to be your equation number 2. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to theta we get, so if I differentiate equation with respect to theta, I'll get here dx by d theta is equal to d by d theta of your a cos theta. So that will be nothing more than a. Now d by d theta of cos theta is how much? Minus sine theta. I hope you're clear there. So that will be minus a sine theta. Similarly, again differentiating equation 2 with respect to theta, I'll get here dy by d theta is equal to d by d theta of your b cos theta. So that will be nothing more than b of minus sine theta. So the answer would be minus b sine theta. So hence, because the question says find dy by dx, so hence your dy by dx will be nothing more than dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So that will be minus b sine theta divided by minus a sine theta. So I can cancel minus minus. Similarly, sine theta sine theta. So the answer will be b divided by a. So that's your answer. You can pause the video and then check once again. Okay, let me just jump to question number 5. Your question number 5 is given to be x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and similarly y is equal to sine theta minus sine 2 theta. Now just similar to equation number 2, this one is also the parameter over here is your theta. So give it equation number 1 and give one to equation number 2. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to theta we get, so if I differentiate this one with respect to theta, I'll get here dx by d theta is equal to d by d theta of your cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So d by d theta of cos theta is how much? Minus sine theta. Similarly, d by d theta of your, consider this one to be your theta, okay? So d by d theta of your cos 2 theta will be how much? It will be minus sine 2 theta, but that's not theta, so I have to differentiate again. So d by d theta of your 2 theta. So that will be minus sine theta, and then minus and the minus is plus. So that will be d by d theta of 2 theta is 2, so 2 sine 2 theta. I hope you clear till there. So in a similar way, differentiate equation 2 with respect to theta we get. So if I differentiate equation number 2 with respect to theta, I'll get here dy by d theta is equal to d by d theta of your d by d theta of your nothing more than sine theta minus sine 2 theta. So that will be nothing more than how much? d by d theta of sine theta is your cos theta. Similarly, d by d theta of your sine 2 theta will be how much? Minus cos 2 theta into d by d theta of your 2 theta, because I'm considering this one to be your theta, right? So I'll get your answer to be nothing more than cos theta minus 2 into cos 2 theta. Why? Because d by theta of 2 theta is 2. I hope you get it there. So hence your dy by dx would be dy by d theta, that's your theta, divided by dx by d theta, which would be nothing more than cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by, I can say, 2 sine 2 theta minus sine theta, and that's your answer. You can pause the video and then check once again. I hope you are clear till there. Okay, let me just again jump to your question number 8. Your question number 8 is given to be x is equal to a cos t plus log of 10 t by 2, and then your y happens to be a sine t. Again, same thing, consider this one to be 1 and consider this one to be question number 2. Now if you can see between your x and y, and you tell me which one is a parameter. Yeah, parameter over here is your t. Yeah, because everywhere I got t. If you can just see, the parameter over here is your t. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to t, we get, so if I differentiate, I'll get here dx by dt is equal to d by dt of your a cos t plus log of 10 t by 2. Okay, now a is constant, so I'll just take a, and then I'm gonna manipulate this with this. So d by dt of your cos t is how much? It will be minus sine t, right? Plus similarly this with this, so first one is log, so d by dt of log 10 t is how much? It will be, consider this one whole thing to be your t, so d by dt of your log t is how much? 1 by t, but that's not t. I have to differentiate again. So that's how much I got. So a, so I can say minus sine t plus 1 by 10 t by 2. Now d by dt of 10, consider again this one to be your t, so d by dt of 10t is how much? Go back to your formula and then check. D by dt of 10t is nothing more than your sec square t, but that's not t. I have to differentiate once again. I guess you're clear till there. So that will be a minus sine t, and then plus this 10t, can I say that's your cos t by 2 divided by sine t by 2 for this one, yes or no, into, then for this one, that's a sec square t, I can say 1 divided by cos square t by 2, right? And then d by dt of 10t is 1 by 2. I hope you're clear. So I can cancel this one with the whole thing square. So I got the answer a minus sine t plus, now 2 sine theta cos theta is how much? 1 divided by sine 2 theta, right? How did I got it? Do you remember again? Since sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Don't forget this one. So I got this one. So I got here 2 sine theta cos theta is nothing more than sine 2 theta. Clear? I cancel this 2 along with this 2. So the next one would be nothing more than equal to a minus cos, sorry, not cos, that was not cos, that was okay, I'll just cut this one. So I got here a minus sine t, and then plus 1 divided by sine t. So I'll get the answer of this one to be a minus sine squared t plus 1 divided by sine t if I take on the LCM. So 1 minus sine squared t is how much? That will be a, and then cos squared t divided by sine t. So that was nothing more than your dx by dt. Now again differentiating equation 2 with respect to t, we get, now let me go back and then see what is equation number 2. Equation number 2 happens to be y is equal to a sine t, so that will be nothing more than dy by dt is equal to d by dt of a sine t, so that will be a cos t. So hence your dy by dx would be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So you dy by dt, you got it to be a cos t divided by a cos squared t divided by sine t. I cancel a cos t with the square, and this t will come up, so there will be sine t divided by cos t, which is nothing more than your tan t. And that's your answer. You can pause the video and then check. Okay, so that was all about your question number 8. So similarly, let me do question number 10 in a similar manner. So your question number 10 is given to be x is equal to a cos theta plus theta sine theta, and then y is equal to a sine theta minus theta cos theta. So again, here the parameter over here is your theta. So in a similar manner, let me just do so. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to theta, so I'll get here dx by d theta is equal to d by d theta of a cos theta plus theta sine theta. Remember, here I got two terms. Okay, so whenever I got two terms, I have to apply which rule? The product rule, right? So that will be nothing more than a, so first of all, d by d theta of your cos theta is nothing more than your minus sine theta. Now I have to apply the product rule over here, so that will be plus bracket theta, d by theta of sine theta is your cos theta, plus sine theta, d by theta of theta is 1. Okay, I hope you, if not clear, you can simplify slowly also. So it will be a minus sine theta plus theta cos theta plus sine theta. So I cancel this with this, so I got the answer minus, sorry, not minus, plus a theta cos theta. So that's all about the equation number 1, dx by d theta. Similarly, differentiating equation 2 with respect to theta. So if I do that, I'll get here dy by d theta is equal to a sine theta. I forgot d by d theta. Okay, sine theta minus theta cos theta. Again, the same thing over here. This one is here first, second, so I have to use the border rule over here also. So if I do that, I'll get here a, and then this with this, it will be how much? Cos theta minus, now this, do it with this one, so there will be theta. So d theta of cos theta is how much? Nothing more than minus sine theta, and then plus cos theta into 1. So which would be a cos theta minus minus into minus plus theta sine theta minus cos theta. I have to give one more bracket over here. So I cancel this with this, so I get the answer nothing more than a theta sine theta. So therefore your dy by dx would be a theta sine theta divided by a theta cos theta. I cancel theta theta a, so there is sine theta because there's how much? Nothing more than your 10 theta. So you can pause the video and then check once again. And I hope you are clear till there.